You know what made me really like drawing backgrounds? Because before I didn't really like drawing backgrounds as much. But once I started like looking more deeply into like animators and anime in general, how they work on their backgrounds, it got me so much more interested in backgrounds. Definitely very, very motivating. And like studying how they do stuff really made it easier for me to try learn myself. Like everyone loves Ghibli movies backgrounds, right? And that it like makes you wonder like how do they manage to do that? Like what's their process? And you kind of, you know, there's some YouTube videos too about like those who worked in Ghibli movies and their backgrounds, and they like kind of show their progress, and you kind of see like how they do it in like the traditional way, like with gouache, and then you kind of try to apply it to your digital workflow. But these kind of tricks you'll learn like by watching people work on backgrounds in animes and stuff, because you don't realize that they actually have these tricks. Because think about it, they have to work on like how many backgrounds per episode? Though sometimes they reuse it, but you know, a lot of them. At least 5 exactly.